Cain, a name whispered on the stellar winds. I hang suspended, breathless, on and above this world. Beauty unfolds beneath me, a vibrant tapestry of life. But within me, a tear, a joy that tastes like ash. For in this vibrant world I see, not triumph, but loss, echoing across the light years, the centuries, the eons. 4.5 years, a heartbeat in the face of eternity. Back then, on our planet, in the sterile gleam of our labs, we chased a phantom, teleportation, a godlike dream. We birthed a machine of wonder, a key to unlock the galaxy's secrets, accuracy to a meter across light years. But our ambition outstripped our wisdom. We built a door that swung only one way, a gilded cage of our own design. One-way ticket to the cosmos. We tested endlessly, blindly confident. Matter, life, spirit. We hurled them into the nearby planets, mapping solar system with each jump. We believed we were masters of space, of destiny itself. Then, the flaw revealed. A tremor in the code. A whisper of chaos. Wrong coordinates, a faraway plant from another solar system, locked and unforgiving. My friend stepped into the light and was swallowed by the dark, lost, across an impossible divide of space and time. Eve, her soul, a shattered mirror reflecting only pain. With him gone, the lab became a sepulcher, our triumphs turned to dust. We were adrift in a sea of guilt, whispers of what if, haunting every corner. But love, even in despair, can ignite a fire. The machine stirred again, a ghostly echo of its former glory, fueled by madness, or by a love that defied logic itself. Eve entered the chamber. Tears streamed down her face, mingling with the grim resolve in her eyes. She would chase him into oblivion, armed only with a broken heart and a desperate hope. They pulled me back, grounded me in their fear. But memory is a brand that burns. 4.5 years, an eternity of ghosts on my world, a whisper of lost dreams in the sterile air of the lab. Yet, even from the deepest darkness, light can emerge. Science, relentless in its pursuit, offered a sliver of hope. Two-way teleportation, finally agonizingly achieved. Return, imaginable. Rescue, a distant star in an infinite night. Years of bureaucratic battles, fought in the echoing halls of regret and what-ifs. Permission granted. At last, a ship, cloaked in shadow, launched into the void, a vessel carrying not cargo but ghosts and the faintest glimmer of hope. We neared the world below, shrouded in stealth, hearts pounding, sensors flickered, then sang. Signals, technology, a web of machines spun in orbit. Life? Civilization? After all this, could they still breathe? Could they still be there? Data flooded the ship, a torrent of history, culture, and the voices of a world we thought lost to time. Their story, unfolding before us, across the void. Then the cold, brutal truth. Time's cruel equation. Dilation, absolute. 1 hour for us, 7 years for them. 4.5 years passed for us. 300,000 years have marched on here. A chasm of time, yawning impossibly wide. This world's story etched in ancient stone and sung in modern code. Myths, scriptures, the very bedrock of their civilization, spoke of beginnings, of the first man, Adam, of the first woman, Eve. Names whispered in reverence, in fear, in hope. And then, the echo that shattered me. Their firstborn son, Cain. Cain. My name. A ghost in their creation myth, resonating across 300 millennia. They named this planet as Earth. They believe they are born of this world, but they are born of him, of her, children of a lost dream, and a love that transcended time itself. Descend, speak, shatter their world with a truth they could never grasp? No. The abyss of time is too vast to bridge. Return to my planet, Heavy Asthano? For them, it would be a journey into oblivion. A single year there, and 80,000 years would vanish from their world. I will remain here a silent sentinel in the void. Unseen, unknown, but ever watchful. I will guard the legacy of my friend and protect his children across the uncounted generations. From this day until time itself surrender, Adam's people are Cain's people. Across worlds, across eon, they are mine to watch over, forever.
Subscribe to AI Sci-Fi.